Vivo Y53s. The smartphone have a powerful chipset. The device with his processor will provide the user with powerful results. Vivo Y53s has got an octa-core processor under the hood of this smartphone. The display of the phone is 6.58 inches long, and the special thing about the display of this Vivo Y53s is going to have an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen panel, which is the most powerful display in the market. And the resolution of the display will be 1080 x 2408 pixels, which best setting of resolution in this class. The Vivo Sharp Y53s also have RAM with a massive capacity of 8 GB. The RAM is high-end, which will ensure outstanding performance. The smartphone is having enough storage capacity that will be there to hold enough files to be used in the future. The Vivo has got 128 GB of internal storage in Y53s. On the back of the device, there is a dual camera setup. The main sensor of the phone is 64 megapixels. The selfie shooter of the Y53s have 16 megapixels sensor. The smartphone is going to run with an Android 11 operating system. The smartphone Y53s has got a fingerprint sensor to secure your data from loss. The battery of the phone is also a massive one. The Y53s have LiPo non-removable 5000 mAh battery. They get enough backup time and fast charging of 33 watts.